Let's go, darling.
What the heck do you have on your head?
No, new style.
New style?
New style. Is it okay to go to Globus like this, Pinkay?
I'm not going with you.
Why? Pinkay, what do you think? That I have nice hair style?
I can cut it like this. What do you think? It's nice, short.
Yeah, try, darling. I'm not joking.
No.
No, you can just cut it like this. Pinkay.
Like, okay.
Are you sure?
No, later when I come back.
Why not now?
Huh? Because it's gonna be dirty. We're going to Globus.
I can take it and I can put it in the bin.
Huh?
If I go like that.
Huh?
No, really?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my!
Are you sure?
That is
Sure.
That is really
I have to put in the bin.
that is now not in the plan. How about this, Pinkay?
Okay, wait. Yeah.
That's not in the plan.
Oh my goodness, I'm so scared now.
Okay, let's see. Pinkay here.
Are you sure?
Here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now remove.
We'll remove. I'm gonna remove.
The big reveal.
Big reveal,
I'm
yeah.
gonna switch on the light so it would really see. What happened?
Yes.
Oh, it's nice. How about this, Pinkay?
I'm not like a professional, you know. How about at home?
Huh?
How about at home? Just brush your hair.
How about this? How about this here? Then you tie again.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you tie again.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to ruin your hair, right?
It's already ruined. Nothing to ruin.
We now emergency. We need to call Janita.
Oh, okay, here.
Okay, here. Are you sure?
Not that.
Not short.
Okay.
Just here.
Okay. Oh my. And here, Pinkay. Here.
How about I just do like that?
No. Just tie again so you would not. Oh my.
Oh.
Why is your hair straight? Straight. Wait.
Oh, I need to call Janetta now.
But your hair looks fine.
Do you think that she can fix it?
But it looks fine.
No.
It looks fine.
I don't know. What did you do?
Alright. And then Pinkay here. The other side.
What kind of style of cutting it is?
Oh my.
Like a Shrek.
No plan at all to do this.
Okay. Try.
Okay, and enough, yeah? Enough.
Okay, we'll remove.
And then just brush it out.
Yeah. Can you put the gel in?
No, it's okay. Oh my.
But it looks good.
Looks good?
I like it like that.
Yeah, it looks good.
Really?
Good.
But I actually like it like that.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, can you wet it and put something in? Because
No, I'm gonna wear hat.
okay.
I'm gonna fix it.
But I like it. I don't know what's wrong.
You like it, Pinkay?
Yeah, it's just like you just need it because it went like that.
How about this, Pinkay? How about this, Pinkay?
But I like it when it's short here and then long here.
Yeah? No plan
You
at
just
all.
need water and just
Yeah,
like
so I'm gonna put water now.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, later. Yeah, ang nangyari, 2 days na, akong nagpapabook sa pinsan ni Hana sa hair salon. Pero wala talagang bakante. Dapat kasi, pagkatapos kong magupitan nung last month, dapat pabook ka agad. Kasi sobrang busy talaga. Siya yung pinaka-busy rito na hair salon for men and women. Pag sa iba naman, alam mo magkano presyo rito sa iba? 400 koron ang bayad sa haircut. Sa pinsan ni Hana, sisingi lang ako ng 80 koron pero binibigyan ko siya ng 150 koron. So, di ba? Pero yung 400 koron, sa city center yon. Mahal talaga doon sa city center magpagupit. Dito sa mga villages, dito sa loob ng village, medyo mura. Kaya lang, talagang busy-busy sila. Wala talagang by booking dito eh. So, hindi niya ako ano to? May insert sa kanyang kwan. Sabi niya, kagabi sana, bago siya uwi. Kaso lang, umulan masyadong madilim na masyado. Sabi niya, no time. So, next time. So, yeah. Alright, okay. Ayos naman.
But I think it looks not bad.
No, not that bad, right?
No.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
So, meron akong bagong barbera.
I mean, I also cut my own hair.
Yeah? Oh,
Round
continue.
2.
Round 2. Continue daw, continue.
Scissors.
Continue. Sa kabila, Pinkay. This side. Okay. Ayos na yan.
Okay, you take it out. No? Yeah, nice.
Nice. Alright, okay. Dito lang medyo ka, no? Medyo mababa. Tapos okay na yan. Ayos. No need for another 1 month, darling.
Why don't you cut yourself at home?
Huh?
Why don't you cut yourself at home? Your hair?
No, you suggested it.
Yeah.
So I agreed. Ayos. Feeling ko meron akong new look. Yes, haircut is Sophia. Wow. Ayos ang pagkain mo, Pinkay. And then you put this one?
I made my own garlic sauce.
How about you, darling?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings? Yung akin. Sabaw ng baka. Wow. Pinainit ko sa microwave. Ito yung aking kakainin lang. 1 meal a day. Buto-buto. Tapos may halong karne ng baka. Yun yung natira namin kahapon. Chicken wings. At saka sunny side up. 3 itlog. Ayos na to. Tapos sauerkraut, oh. Ayos. Wow. Parang kimchi. Baka. Apa ng lambot? Sarap. Ito din ito. Yan. Sarap ito. Yung isang beses ka lang kakain isang araw, walang merienda, hindi ka nagka-carbohydrates, yung alam mo na yung oras na ng kainan, yung pagpatak ng 12:00 ng tanghali, talagang yung tingin mo sa pagkain. Litid ng baka. Mm. Yung sabaw, perfect na perfect sa 24 hours na fasting. Tapos yung unang pumasok sa bituka mo, yung mainit na sabaw. Ah, sarap. Mm-hmm. You done, Pinkay? Yung sa akin mamingka, nanonood ng news. Mm-hmm. Pagkatapos kumain, kape kagad. May window to eh. 1 hour meal. Yung talagang yung 85% na chocolate, cacao. Kahit hindi siya ganang matamis. Pag kinain mo, parang sulit na sulit yun. Parang you treat yourself like... Tapos kape. Yung creamer nito, gumagamit talaga ako ng almond milk. Relax muna. Kasi panahon umuulan. Mga 5 araw na rin sunod-sunod ang ulan dito. So, ito uli ang unang araw ng linggo na hindi umulan. Sunod-sunod talagang ulan. Yung ulan pa na pangmayaman, yung ambon. Pero mula umaga hanggang gabi. Today, makulimlim lang pero hindi umulan. Kaya lumabas ako kasama si Sisi. So ito maganda rito. Pag may mga event, gaya nung Independence anniversary ng Czech Republic mula sa Nazi. May event dito, nag-bonfire sila dyan. Saka nagiging kwento, parang pub. Tapos daming tao rito. Ganda dito. Pwede kang mag-relax talaga rito. Kaya ngayon walang tao. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon dito. Sarap din maglakad-lakad pag bagong kain ka. Tapos lakad ka kaagad. Nare-regulate yung blood sugar mo. So, kasi usually daw pag ang blood sugar mo tumataas, doon ka nag-i-store ng fat. Kaya dapat pagkatapos mong kumain, kahit mga galaw-galaw, yung ganon, 30 minutes lakad-lakad. Kaya sabi ko kaya na, nalakad ko muna si Sisi kahit ako na mag-isa. So dito, tahimik talaga rito. Relax na relax. Pwede ka nga magdala ng kwan dito. Iga-iga ka dito. Yan. Okay. Sisi, let's go. Let's go back home. Yun, na-fix na ni Janita yung aking hair. Hannah's cousin. There's a hair salon here.
Yeah.
Hannah's cousin's hair salon. So, yeah.
Yeah, oh, actually, some your friends coming here for haircut, right?
Filipino.
Filipino. Sisi, Sisi.
Alright, okay. So, yan. Bagong haircut ni Japit Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you can go sleep, right?
Yeah.